Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Anml Concerts token. Now the Anml Concerts token is just about to be listed tomorrow on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol is ANML. Name of the token is Anml Concerts. So this token is going to be listed tomorrow, December 7th at 8 a.m. UTC time. Trading opens on Hotbit Global. Now, if you don't have a Hotbit account and you're looking to get this token, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol, which was, what was the ticker symbol again here? It was ANML. You search that in the trade section, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. The cool thing about Hotbit is that you can invest your tokens on Hotbit by putting them in DeFi farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's loans. There's all sorts of different ways that you could earn really high APY on Hotbit on a lot of different coins and tokens. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. And let's get into this token here. So their Twitter is verified. It is at Anml Concerts. 16,100 tweets, so they're very active on Twitter. 67,500 Twitter followers, so a very well-established project already. It says, owning an Anml Concerts NFT allows you to get in early on what is the beginning of a long journey of a hardworking man and Anml Concerts. It says they're from Los Angeles. Shows you in their pinned tweet what some of their NFTs look like. There's a couple ones that look kind of like Snoop Dogg here. I'm not sure. I would assume that. Yeah, okay. So it says featuring music legends, Snoop Dogg, and Billy Ray Cyrus as well. So they got cool different celebrity musicians there. I'm assuming that's why they're calling it Anml Concerts. So, they have a VR Jam partnership. So if you go to their link tree, which is listed on their Twitter, you can find all sorts of different links. And the top one says they have a VR Jam partnership. I just did a video on VR Jam if you're not familiar with what that is. They also have their own token as well, so you could check that out. It says a recent partnership with the Anml Concerts and VR Jam. Now you can go over to a Hardworking Man NFT website and check out their NFTs. They have sign up for a Hardworking Man NFT allow list. And then we have the Anml Concerts and Blocktopia partnership. So Blocktopia is also, famous in the crypto world. And they did an article about that on Cointelegraph. So you could check out that article. They have their own website on here. They have a roadmap. So, let's check out the roadmap here. So animalconcerts.com is their official webpage. It says Anml Concerts primarily focuses on 3 main verticals through building an open metaverse platform. The first one is fan experiences, then virtual world concerts, and lastly partnerships with A-list artists like Snoop Dogg and Billy Ray Cyrus. Each of these verticals represents standalone yet integrated products for Anml Concerts as a way to democratize the Anml Concerts platform. A freemium model through which fans can use and demand on the products that will help enable mass adoption of the Anml Concerts token as a key way to transact for music concerts in the metaverse. The Anml Concerts platform is a hybrid approach to creating a proprietary product suite and open access. In addition, the tech, which is outlined between 2022 and 2023, Anml Concerts will consistently create NFT drops with A-list artists. So that's all it says for their roadmap. Now they do have a whole section about regarding their NFT drops, if you want to check that out as well. They have info about you can join the waitlist is on their webpage here. So they go over recent collaboration. So Anml Concerts has officially partnered with Snoop Dogg in his upcoming NFT drop, A Hardworking Man. Snoop Dogg is an award-winning artist, of course. We know who that is. So who else? Alicia Keys. They partnered recently with Alicia Keys to do NFTs. The Grammy Award-winning rapper Future. So they're doing ones with Future there. Busta Rhymes. We all know Busta Rhymes. Tons of different artists on collaborating with all sorts of different NFTs. So, I mean, if you know, I mean, so many people, like say Justin Bieber or something, if you know, like there's going to be so many fans out there that are going to buy Justin Bieber NFTs just because they're Justin Bieber, then you might want to think, oh, this could be a good investment. But, you know, it all depends. I mean, if it's a no-name artist, maybe you won't get as many people wanting to buy the NFTs as you would a celebrity. So that could be going into like what you consider a good investment or not. I'm not sure. So on their webpage here, they also have upcoming drop section. So in a nutshell, it says, back in early 2021, we realized we had a unique opportunity to harness our events management heritage and broad range of technology capabilities to solve two very clear problems. On one hand, music fans were starting to seek more exciting and engaging concert experiences, fueled by a desire to see their favorite artists performing during a lockdown, coupled with a growing awareness of the metaverse and its fascinating promise. On the other hand, established and emerging music artists' frustration with streaming business models had become increasingly evident. It was clear something needed to change, and we made a commitment to be at the very center of that change. Our response was to create a win-win-win proposition for artists, fans, and major brands. We set out to build a proposition that would allow artists to deliver highly engaging and interactive concert experiences to their fans on iconic stages in the most relevant metaverse and 2D distribution platforms. Our vision is to marry the experience of engagement with opportunities for artists to personalize and monetize the fan experience using NFTs while creating exciting ad inventory for major brands to connect with the fans. We have a rich pipeline of collaboration opportunities with some fantastic artists. Watch this space. So I can see why they have 67,000 Twitter followers. They're doing very well. You know, they have the utility token, the Anml token there. They have the NFTs, and they have this metaverse experience that they're working on too with these famous artists. So check it all out. Token gets listed December 7th on Hotbit Global. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.